Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. Here we are showing all the city details and all those things, right? So now it's time for us to add the city. Whenever I click on any data or any map, whenever I click on any place in this map, if I click on here somewhere, so we are able to get the city name. So this city name we are able to get it through the API. If you try to see here in our map.jsx, and here this is our map.addCity.jsx, and here we will be using the fetch details to get the city details, city name and the city details from the map latitude and the longitude. Now it's time for us to add this city in our data, so using the post request. So now we need to add these all details. How we can add this one, let's try to see. So for this one what we will doing is, so I will try to here we will be having in such a way that when I go to the form, so this is our form, and for this form what we need to write, we need to write on submit is equal to, so I will create a method handle submit, simple method I will be having it, and this handle submit we need to write the code. Here I will write function handle submit. So we will be getting the event. First we need to do the e.prevent default. Okay, first step is completed. Now when I am clicking on this add city, okay, we will be, so we need to frame the JSON data and we need to send it post request so that it will be added in the cities.json file. So this is our cities.json file. So right now the JSON or the object is such a way that it is like this. So let's try to take this add city, and here we will try to frame this one. So before this what we need to do is, if not of city, if city name is not available, city name only, right? City name, if city name is not available, then just we will return, we'll stop submitting it, or otherwise we need to frame the city details. City is equal to, and this is the object which you will be framing. So ID will be created dynamically, and the name is nothing but city name. Okay, city name, and the country is nothing but the country name which we are already saving, country name. And here the latitude we will be getting it from this maplat. So just directly I will add the maplat, and the another one, last one is the longitude, so we can directly add this map long. Okay, and emoji flag. So emoji flag, if you try to observe carefully, so what we can do is, so city name, it is nothing but, here it should be like this. So if you console that, whenever you are trying to console.log of data, I will try to show you. If you are going to the console, and if I click on somewhere Madrid in Spain, so here you will be getting all the details from the data from the API, and here you will be able to see the country code, right? So here this country code we need to capture it. So for this one what I will do is, so here I will add constant country code, set country code, country code, and here set country code is equal to use state of empty. Okay, now this country code, what I will do is, so country code, city name is there, city is there, and here what I will try to do is country code. So we need to save the country details also. Here I will save set country code of data dot, and here we are getting the country code, right? We will be saving this data. So country code, I will be directly saving this data. That's it. Now here what I can do, I can directly use the country code here, country code, and the last one is the data, the date, and you can use new date dot to locally date string. So just I will use it like this. This is not a matter, and we will do console.log of city. So I am just consoling log of city. So whether the object what we have framed is correct or not. So I am taking the notes and I am clicking on this one. So this is the data which I have framed it. So it is coming correct. Now I need to submit this all the data into the cities.json. So now we are having a context. So if you try to go to our context, city context. So this is our context file, and here we need to create the function. So here I will be creating sync function set city. So we will be sending the city details, and here we need to create the post request. Okay, I will copy this entire thing. So instead of writing it again, and set loading of true, and here there will be no ID. Okay, and this is a city URL, and that method is post. So method is post, and the body, so the data which we are trying to send, the body is nothing but JSON dot stringify of city details, and we need to pass the headers also. Headers, why? Because so content type, we need to mention the content type. Now here I can write content type, content type is application slash JSON. Finished. So this is our post request, and here response, we got the data, and we can console the data. So what will happen, we can console it, console.log of city. So we will be consoling the not city data. So what is the data we will be getting, we'll try to see. So let's try to submit this one in console.log data, and if I click on this add city, so here we are able to see the console data. So here, so response data and all those things we are able to get it, right? So this is our console data. This is not our console data. I think from where we are getting, let's see, again we will add it and we will see. Okay, we are not calling this set city, right? So let's go to this add city, and here city context we have created it, and we need to add it here, set city. Okay, in order to call this one, and let's go to this add city. Here set city is not defined. Why it is saying set city is not defined? Oh, sorry. So it should be set city. Okay, so for now it is defined. Let's go to the add city, and we need to use this context. For that one, here I will be using constant is equal to use city. So we need to use this use city, and here I can call this set city. Now where we need to call, so we got this data, I need to call here set city of, I need to send the city details. That's it, guys. Now if you try to see the output, and here I will be adding nodes, and if I click on this add city, now we got the details, and if I try to see here, the ID also has been created, and now if you go into the XHR, so the post data, so here you will be able to see the post data, and also the data also, payload also is sent in the country and everything, and the preview also we are getting it as an ID6. Now we got it. Now we are able to successfully submit it. Now if I go to the back, or otherwise if I go to the back or cities, if I go here, so we are not able to see that city which we have added it. Now if I refresh this page, let's see. Now we are able to see that the latest city which has been added. So that means we are able to successfully add, but when we are trying to submit the city name, so we are not able to get it. For example, in the France, let's go here, where is on, so we are on, so here we will add it. So here we are able to get it, and now if I click on this add city, it's completed. If I go to the cities here, now we are not able to see. If I refresh this page, now we are able to see this newly added city. Now how we can overcome this one? So for this one, what we can do is, we got the set city, right? So handle submit, we got the set city, or otherwise let's go to the city context. So we got the data, and here we need to set the cities. Normally we using the React query, we can do these all the things, but here we will try to do set cities. So we haven't learned the set city React query and all those things. So we will do here, we got the data, and I will set the cities. Cities is equal to, square bracket, cities, and I will add the data into this one. That's it. Now that's it, completed. Now hopefully it should be complete. Now let's see the output. Cities, let's go to some other place. Which one is, so let's go to the Birmingham. Okay, I will clicking on the Birmingham. So we are able to get it, and if I click on this add city, so now the city has been added, and you will be able to see the marker also. If I go to the cities, and Birmingham also has been added. So this is how we will be doing it. Now if I am going on the leads, and if I click here leads, we are able to get it. If I click on this add city, automatically it should navigate to the cities instead of manually clicking on the cities link, it should automatically navigate it. As you already know, we need to use the use navigate, and this one is an async functionality. So here async, and here I can use this await, and here I will call the navigate of, and here I can call app/cities. That's it, finish. Now if you try to see here, leads has been added, and I will add some nodes, and I click on this need. So leads has been, so now we are able to successfully navigate to the cities page also. So this is how we will be adding the new city in our project. So now hope you understood about this concept. So I will commit this code in a new branch, that is nothing but video-142, video-142, and adding a new city, So I will be providing this GitHub repository URL in the description below. So whoever want to clone this project, so you can clone that one. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.